Hey guys, how you doing? Tony here. So Robinhood didn't actually run up to 52. We Robinhood is actually trading at 52 after hours. I didn't. Oh no. Sorry guys, my baby got a bag of of chocolate chips and she just dropped it anywhere. I mean everywhere. God. You know what? I'm gonna keep this short because I gotta go pick all this up. But Robinhood did run to 52 bucks after hours. I don't know as far as a projection what it can actually do right now. But it actually hit every single fib level on a pretty decent move, and it actually almost hit the 48.90 before breaking that and coming back down right now. We actually, depending on how we close tomorrow at 6:30 in the morning, we might see a slight drop off back to like maybe 46, 47, $48 before another continuation. I don't know how this is going to play out. I actually think that Robinhood's going to keep running tomorrow. Again, look at the 30-minute. I've been using the 30-minute as a projection of when Robinhood is actually going to keep running. Every single 30-minute trigger has been a push to the upside. We're actually going to have the Stoke on the overbought. We're going to have another trigger maybe within an hour or two of market open tomorrow. And I think Robinhood might actually rally to like 55 or something tomorrow. I think it's definitely a possibility. I'm just keeping track of what's going on. It does look like Hood still has a lot of room to go to the upside. I'm just kind of beating myself over not buying more shares than I should have. I only have 100. My position originally is a little under 4 grand. I should have probably threw in at least like 10K or something. That was my bad. But again, that's nothing to complain about. I'm completely happy with the position that I have right now. And we'll see what happens tomorrow. But I think that Robinhood definitely has a little bit more push to the upside. Remember what I've told you guys before. I've always told you guys that don't get in front of a moving train, especially when it's been derailed. And I don't think Robinhood's been derailed yet. I think that it's just starting to pick up momentum, and it's going to get derailed very, very, very soon. So we just got to wait it out and see. Robinhood is definitely beating out expectations. Everybody thought it was going to drop down. Like I said, I didn't think so just because all of retail was extremely short on it. They had a bad opinion, and that was mainly the reason why I got in. But I think Robinhood as a whole, you guys already know, I think Robinhood is the iPhone of brokers. That's the easiest way that I can explain it. That's really the only like justification that I need for myself to keep buying Robinhood long term. I think it's a solid long-term hold. And even short term, it looks like it's going to be doing relatively well. I'll see you guys later.